Hello friends, so I hope all are doing very well. So welcome back to my channel and my greeting and regards to all of you. So right now I am at the bank of the Hooghly River as a ghat in West Bank, Kolkata, close to the Bara Bazar and the Habra Bridge. So let's see the view. Even the water is flowing here, and also the river is front is looking so amazing and unique here. I'm also feeling here just standing in the water of Hooghly River here. So I'm going to explain some more things about the Hooghly River, and even one thing is that I'm feeling and enjoying here really in the water of the Hooghly River, which is so cold here. So even the Hooghly River is the westernmost distributary of the Ganges, situated in the West Bengal, Kolkata, flowing from the Kolkata, and it is also known in its upper reaches as the Bhagirathi, and the Bhagirathi splits off from the main branch of the Ganges at Giria in West Bengal, close to Farakka, and a short distance west it meets with the man-made Farakka feeder canal, which increase the flow of Hooghly River here. So then after that the river then flows south to join the Jalangi River at the Navadip, which is the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Nadia district, where originally become the Hooghly River from here proper. So even the Hooghly continues southwards, passing through the metropolis of Kolkata and Habra, and which is considered as a Ganges river, as a sacred river in West Bengal and in Kolkata. So right now I am just standing at the Prinsep Ghat, close to the Rabindra Setu and opposite of the William Fort, which was built by the British first time by Robert Clive after winning the Battle of Plassey against Sirajuddin Daulah. So right now I am at the Prinsep Ghat. So let's see the view of the Prinsep Ghat. Really is also very awesome that I am feeling here at the Prinsep Ghat, and because I visited lots of places in Kolkata, like also Victoria Memorial, Indian Museum, Birla Planetarium, Dakshineshwar Kali Temple, Birla Temple, and Kali Ghat Temple, and Belur Mutt, Ramakrishna Mission, and many more historical places and some Durga Pandal, because right now I am in during the Kolkata Durga Puja festival time. So even the Hooghly River, so even therefore its impetites into the Bay of Bengal and its tributaries, including the Ajay River, Damodar River, Rup Narayan River, and the Haldi River. So even the Hooghly has religious significance, as Hindus consider the river sacred, and it also plays a major role in the agriculture, industry, and the climate of the state West Bengal. So the basic features bridges are the Vidyasagar Setu, Rabindra Setu, Habra Bridge, Nivedita Setu, Vivekanand Setu in Bali, and Sampriti Bridge, Jubri Bridge, Ishwar Gupta Bridge, Gauranga Bridge in Nadia district from Mayapur to Navdeep, Nasirpur Rail Bridge, Ramandra Sundar Trivedi Bridge, Jangipur Bhagirathi Bridge. So these are the major bridge on the river. So thank you so much, and let's stay and learn lots of things regarding the river Hooghly as Ganges. So thank you for the patience, and we will meet very soon. So till now, thank you so much again. जय माँ काली।